Hey guys, welcome back to Traveling Digitally. My name is Josh, and today we are in Magic Kingdom for the very first night of Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So we are going to go try some food, get some drinks maybe, yeah. So let's see what the first night has in store here. Maybe some overlay rides, maybe some see the parade and all this other kind of cool stuff. So yeah, some merch. So, yeah, let's go have some fun. Let's do it. The tree out. Big ass tree.
I was there earlier.
Was it?
Yeah, it was here the other day when we were here.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we just picked up our wristbands for the night. Oh, let's put this in there. Cool. And we got they gave us like peppermint marshmallow. These metal ornaments of Pluto and Mickey driving a little red truck with a Christmas tree in the back. It's pretty cool. And then we got our maps. So cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool, Mariah. Yeah.
See, I got one too.
Yeah, that's what it looks like without the wrapping on it.
I'm not giving you content.
You're not giving me content?
No.
Sounds like that. This literally looks like content to me. Okay, cool. Are you impressed with the ornament, Mariah?
Yeah, at least it's metal again. I was hoping it was metal. Like the 50th one when we
Hell
went.
yeah, it is.
Like the 50th one when we went. Because
Yeah.
like, I didn't want them to cheap out and give us like a rubber one or something.
Plastic. Alright, cool. Alright, let's go on. Also, if you're wondering where to get the wristbands when you come here, because you have to ask about it, there are 3 points where you can get the wristbands for your ticket event if you're already in here. One of them is they got PhilharMagic, they got Buzz Lightyear, and then they got Tortuga Tavern. Those might change depending on the night. I have no idea, but at least for the first night, it was those 3 locations. So there's a heads up if you're planning on staying in the park before the actual event. That's where you're wanting to go from, I think it's 4 to 6. 4 to 6 is when they hand those out. So that's that information for you. All right, the party has started. And we are going on Jingle Cruise! Where's Tyler? There you are. What do you think? Jingle Cruise? Let's go! Right. Nice. Mom?
What?
What? Jingle Cruise? Yeah! Yeah!
Look
Sick.
being held captive.
Yeah! 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 Woo!
Wave goodbye to all those pretty people on top. Guys, don't be rude. Wave goodbye to the ugly people too. Look at that, they have no idea. Now folks, listen, I will be y'all skipper tonight. Alright, my name is Skipper. Sorry, this is so embarrassing. 1 second. Nico! I guess. Now, for the next 10 to 12 months, I will not only be your dreidel spinner, but I'll also be your menorah lighter, your tree trimmer, your secret Santa, and hopefully, your favorite half-Jewish skipper. Now, everybody, welcome to the world-famous Jingy Cruise. Jungle Cruise! Jingle Cruise! Sorry. Jingle Cruise. I think Jingy was my first Noel. Now, our journey begins in the Amazon River by the beautiful Inspiration Falls, inspiring you to 1, pay your water bill, and 2, it can inspire even the biggest of Scrooges to go Christmas caroling. Everybody sing it with me. Jingle Cruise, jingle all the way. Yes! I I usually get such a frosty response from that one. Wait, you guys are chill. You're chill. Now, listen, I'm going to let y'all in on a little secret. That's not the only thing I love about the Amazon this time of year, because if you listen real closely, and you're really lucky, you might hear the call of the ever elusive, a humbug. Okay, everybody, let's listen. Ah! Did you guys hear that? That was crazy. That was so perfectly timed. What a coincidence. And now we're coming up on the Congo River, okay? Let's see how far this thing can get. Over here we have Boats and Baits and Bites, where I like to throw our little annual holiday party, wishing everybody a Merry Fishmas, a Happy Veronica, but I could not see any party goers, Canoe. Man, what scared them? Oh, now that one scared them off. That's supposed to be a partridge in a pair of trees. That's so embarrassing. Would you look at that? How pathetic. It's only November 7th and the holiday shoppers are already going bananas. Somebody did not tell them that it is not yet Silverback Friday. How crazy. And oh my gosh, look what they did to my car. They finally got that engine to turn over. Somebody must have had a monkey wrench in their stocking. That's nice. And now we're coming up on the Nile River, okay? It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you must be in
The Nile.
Actually, we're in a really strong Yuletide here. I'm kind of nervous. Everybody pull on those yellow tabs. No yellow tabs? Let's move on. Oh my gosh, an elephant! Fun fact about elephants, they actually help out with the naughty and nice list every year on account of their amazing memories. Wish I had a memory like that. Really help me out with my... Oh my gosh, an elephant! Fun fact about elephants, they actually help out with the naughty and nice list every year on account of their amazing memories. I sure wish I had a memory like that. Really help me out with my job. Now, moving on to one of our bolder attractions. Here we are at the African Veldt, where you can see some bearded reindeers and some long-necked reindeers and some classic reindeers, some black and white reindeers. We got everything. And look at that. Nothing brings the family together quite like a holiday feast. Oh, the meal's even got the zebra looking dead. Tired! Sorry, I've really got to start finishing my sentences. Dead tired. So why don't we move on and let her rest in peace, shall we? Let's not be inconsiderate. Oh, okay. You guys see this too, right? Y'all see what I see? Looks like Skipper Felix and Co will certainly not be home for the holidays. But you look at that. One of Santa's little yelpers, my buddy Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina.
Hi.
Now everybody say bye, Ina.
Bye.
Oh, Skipper Felix not too upset her, and it looks like he got the point in the end, but hey, what do I know? And now let me introduce y'all to two of my best friends in this whole jungle, Frosty and his girlfriend, Ginger. Gotta say though, this couple really scares me, I'm not gonna lie. Frosty bites, Ginger snaps. Real tough cookies, those two. You gotta keep a nice good eye out. Folks, would you look at that? If you look dead ahead at the very front of the boat, you'll see the most beautiful gift in the whole jungle. And back there is a waterfall. Yeah, that's Snow Falls, named after our founder, Dr. Albert. You won't believe it. Falls. Now, people ask me a lot about like cast member perks and discounts, and my favorite's got to be half-off flights. But look at that. The flights are grounded. Holiday travel. Classic, classic. And, ooh, okay. Anybody here happen to wish for a hippopotamus for Christmas? Because I got great news. They're everywhere, okay? And they're so, like, docile and kind. And, you know what? I'm just going to scare these guys off how my family scares me off during the holidays. 1 second.
You got a boyfriend yet? You still doing that theater stuff, kid?
Yeah, look at them. Immediately back down. Trust me when I say those guys will be in their rooms for at least the rest of the night. Everybody get down! Get down! Nobody make a sound. It's the Christmas carolers. They're waiting outside for some figgy pudding and they simply won't go until they get some. I tell you, they won't go until they get some. Guys! Be quiet! You're making a scene! They're gonna know we're home! Whew, okay. We made it past them. Thank goodness. I cannot stand to hear those guys sing. Now, totally random, out of the blue question for the boat. Is anybody feeling itchy? Anybody itchy at all? No, thank goodness. This bozo over here, Annette, was supposed to watch after the fleas zombie dog, but she let them out. She let the butterflies out. Don't really care about the butterflies, though, because they're not what they used to be. You know, caterpillars. Anyways, the part you all have been waiting for, okay? The one and only, the eighth wonder of the world. Oh, the backside of the water! Perfect, amazing, and unbelievably helpful, and it's true. You know, we were trying to make that egg because, you know, 'tis the season, but budget cuts. I will say, though, in the off-season, we like to call that O2H. It's a bit of a chemistry joke I tell them periodically. To usually no reaction at all. I should really stick with the basics. Anyways, this is our fourth and final river, the Mekong River, and looks like we're coming up on a temple here, which is so embarrassing because I'm not dressed for temple at all. So I'm just going to sit down, be quiet, and hope the rabbi does not notice. We never make it out of there. You guys did all make it out, right? Please raise your hand if you did not make it out. You put those hands down! We're not telling my supervisor a thing, okay? Now, here we are at the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool where, oh, look, everybody's getting their wish for a white Christmas. I mean, that was absolutely just banshee screeching with joy. How precious. And look at that, a baby elephant playing under a full moon. You don't see that every day. I mean it. You don't. I sure do. Every single day, every 10 to 12 minutes, in fact. Now, don't worry, listen, I know I lie a lot, but I promise these elephants are not going to spray the boat, okay? I told them not to spray my boats this morning, and see, these guys are pretty good about remembering my request, because believe it or not, fun fact about elephants, they actually help out the naughty and nice list every year on account of their amazing memories. Tell you what, I wish I had a memory like that. Really help me out with my job. Now, folks, if you look up ahead, you'll realize we're approaching the scariest part of our journey, the return to civilization. During the parade, too. Frightening. Now, I will say this isn't a ride. That's embarrassing. A ride at the Walt Disney World Resort, so we are going to have to take a little trip to the gift shop at the end here, where these holiday shoppers are having a boxing match. Can't say I didn't expect it. And, oh my gosh, an elephant! You know, facts about elephants. They actually help out with the naughty and nice list every year on account of their amazing memories. I tell you what, I sure wish I had a memory like that. Really help me out with my job. Now, folks, listen, y'all have been outstanding, but I'm about to have you outstanding on this dock. So as we approach, just a reminder to please remain seated with your hands on feet and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And keep supervising those children. And my friend in the middle, you and I are going to go around like three more times.
That's fine.
Yeah, I got to train you to take my shift tomorrow. You good to clock in at like 3?
I'm good.
Okay, well, hey. You heard it here first. I'm kidding.
That was pretty fun to have our own boat, right, Tyler?
Yeah.
Isn't it pretty fun to have our own boat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. So I think we're heading over to Tron, right? So let's go do Tron. Currently the tree trails, like the cookie trails, seem to be long as hell. So I don't know if we're going to get to those, but...
Cookie lines are long as hell.
But we might. I guess we'll see. And so we got some of the merch here. Got the ears. Sweater jersey. We got some bags here. What's those bags? These are $85. I'm assuming the ears are probably the normal price. Let me check. I don't know, that's like probably 35. We've got some ornaments. Got some shirts. You got pins. You got pass holder pins. You got a little mini photo frame. This is the pass holder pin. Sorry. Pass holder pin. We have the mystery boxes. One per transaction. Pretty cool. These are $35.
Just a thought. What can I
It's a
say?
great thought.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
They got the event pin here. So that's pretty much most of the merch here, pretty much for the actual party itself. So yeah, let's go with some mysteries. Alright, I was able to grab 2 boxes. Let's see, we're trying to go for the Mickey castle here. Let's see what we can get here. You got the castle?
Feels like a castle. Yeah, it could be totally wrong.
These are 35 a piece. I think about 27 after discount for 2 pins. So let's see what these are here.
Look, I swear to God.
These are
The only one I
huge.
really wanted.
These are huge
Yeah, the
pins.
first one she opened, Tyler.
These are
First one she
ginormous.
opened.
For discount, how much were they after discount? Like maybe
27-ish after discount.
it's 2 per box. So let's see.
Oh no, this is the confectionery. That's the confectionery.
My first one's the confectionery.
Main Street Confectionery, first one.
I don't know. This is, I think, the fire station.
Yeah, I got the fire station.
What's that gingerbread man?
You got this one right, Tyler?
It's like theater or something.
Yeah, she got
Yeah.
the theater.
Or the gingerbread.
Alright, so 2
Here.
I think this is
Josh just got a reindeer.
nice.
I got a reindeer. Look at that.
Yep, I got the
me.
gingerbread guy.
I got another gingerbread.
No, it's alright, I got me.
Hey, maybe I'll get another castle. That'll be good.
I kind of want to go get more. They're so cute.
I got a first soldier.
Nice. I hope this is the confectionery.
Then Nutcracker.
Duplicate on the confectionery.
Another castle?
So what, you still need 1 toy soldier,
These are awesome pins.
soldier.
I might go get more. These are sick. I didn't get any duplicates. No duplicates. So yeah,
Gotta get 2.
I might go get more.
I got 2 in the same box.
I might go get more. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm weak. So when am I gonna got more? Let's see what we got here. So we have 4 out of 8.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can clear it up here.
Front of the fire.
Let's see here.
So then,
Hey, I got mini. I got so far no duplicates.
Look at you go.
Mini, let's go.
2 full sets.
I think we're damn close. 2 for 2. Get 2 of these. At least.
We might.
Okay, I got my first duplicate. Confectionery.
Those.
Another confectionery.
So, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Here we are from
You
the
know what's
pin.
funny though?
Another
We
confectionery.
have enough to make
Maybe
which one
your
is
mom's got
the white toy soldier.
The white toy soldier.
We got 2 full sets.
Another red toy soldier.
It's our little pin all from the Christmas party. We're going to continue. We're going to get snacks. We're going to go on some rides.
Last one.
So, yeah. Adios.
Yeah, I'm ready to say.
Oh, we got the other toy soldier. We got a pack that was just both toy soldiers.
Got that white one.
So I'm only missing. Wait, hang on here. I only need 2.
Which one?
I need the gingerbread man with the red roof. And I need the reindeer that I traded you. I need the gingerbread with the red roof. And I need the reindeer. Okay, I need gingerbread with the red roof.
can hardly wait. With all the holiday magic this time of year, I'm so happy we get to share it with all of you. And there's no better time to celebrate than right now. This one that we share with special friends. We take these moments and we turn them into memories. Memories we can cherish forever and ever. And that's the kind of magic that only happens when we're all together.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow. But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago. It's something I would never trade. It's the family
just started snowing. That is awesome. That is such a good damn fireworks show. After fireworks, there's like a mass exodus here. So if you wait till after fireworks, a lot of people are leaving. So just a little heads up there. If you come to the party, make sure you either have like some kind of game plan or have no game plan. Kind of wing it or plan it out meticulously. Because if you're planning it out meticulously and you want to plan it out like that, you'll have a good time. And if you don't want to, then you'll have a good time. But if you're in the middle, you're going to be stressed all night. Yeah, so we are skipping the stage show because there's just no time. There's no time. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Just kind of plan your night. If you don't prioritize what you're gonna do, then you won't get what you want done. So that's my kind of opinion on the Christmas party here. Yep. So yeah, we got the pigs in a blanket and the jalapeno tots. So we're gonna try those in a little bit here. Yeah, they look pretty good. And then we also got the, what was it called?
Snowflake.
Snow cheese.
Snow cheese chicken strips. All right. Cool. All right, so pigs in a blanket. It's all right. You can skip it. Trying to do a quicker. I mean, it's fine. I just wouldn't recommend, like, it was like $13 or something like that. Kind of pricey. But this is a quick review because the parade's about to come. So, pigs in a blanket. Maybe skip it. I don't know. It's up to you. What was the other ones? The chicken was really good.
Snow cheese chicken, yeah.
Snow cheese chicken was really good. Definitely get that.
Especially with the aioli.
Yeah, especially with the sauce, it's really good. And then the tots, the jalapeno popper tots, are probably the best ones of the three that we got. Those are really good.
Snow cheese chicken's the best.
Snow cheese chicken, they're neck and neck, but this is definitely below. This is definitely below.
So that half for one.
So yeah, that's the review pretty much. I think the pigs in a blanket was,
I mean, I'm not hating on it.
I think this was about 13. The tots were about 15, and then the chicken was how much? 13? Okay. So there's your
And it came
little.
with fries. We just threw away the fries because I didn't want fries.
Oh, okay. The chicken tenders came with fries too, so make that what you will. All right, parade's coming. Gotta go.
Everybody's having a great time.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, I'm on the orange. Hold on. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, I love you. Hold on.
in my very own winter wonderland.
Sleigh bells say it's time to prepare. Happy, merry, holly jolly season's greetings dear. I'm wondering what your family does at that time of year.
Hello.
Love and joy and peace on earth and tidings of good cheer.
Do you have tradition things for that time of year?
Look at all the lights and the people.
We'll hang up boughs of evergreen on every single doorway. Make a giant cookie in the wavy shape of Norway. Go from door to door to door by sailing with our choir. Hey, all your giant songs of love and open fire.
Happy, merry, milk carol, faithful friends are dear. Thanks for sharing what you do at that time of year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jolly, merry, happy, holly on a midnight clear. We're here to rescue what you do at that time of year. Happy, merry, little carols, jingle bells and cheer. Do you have tradition things for that time of year? Thanks for sharing what you do at that time of year. It's a very special time. And all magic that you'll find on that once upon a Christmas time. Once upon a Christmas time. Sleigh bells say it's time to prepare. Happy, merry, holly jolly season's greetings here. I'm wondering what your family thinking all the sweets. Santa candy fills the air.
We've got yummy treats for everyone. Candy, candy, candy. Peppermint treats for peppermint states. Doors, we make it all. Sweets for your sweet tooth.
Santa candy fills the air.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Cookie sheets, snowball treats, frosted sweets for you to
Treat yourself to something sweet.
Isn't this lovely?
It's very difficult.
Holly and the ivy, they are both all brown. All the trees that are in the wood, the holidays have found.
It's all so magical.
Say
what the what's it called? The
Holiday dog.
the holiday dog looks like. Holiday pot roast dog. And these are the tots. So, you know. I'll let you know how good these are.
Place a walk-up order.
But, and that's the peppermint tart or whatever. Peppermint. I don't know what it's called. Peppermint brownie or whatever. But anyway, yeah. Alright. So the holiday pot roast stuff is really, really good. Definitely worth the money. I definitely suggest you come by and get those at Casey's. Because those are really good. They're worth every bit of the price. But yeah, I think that might be all it is here tonight. So if you did enjoy, then please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.